Alright, so here we're going to create our landing page. So we come here and go to konvrrt.com, Konver. So we go to convert double R konvrrt.com, right? That is where we are going to create the landing page we are going to be using for this ad. Okay, so this is how the site looks like. Right now, if you have a website, if you already have an account with them already, you can click on sign in. But if this is your first time here, you click on start free. Okay, I already have an account, so let me log out. So now this is how their sign up form looks like. It has the business name. Now you can input whatever business name you have. Maybe you sell clothes, you are a developer, you are a marketer, you are whatever business name you have, you put it here. You put your email address and then your password. Then you put your currency. The currency is the currency we'll be using to subscribe. Okay, now if I'm in Nigeria, I'm currently in Nigeria, and I'm going to be selecting Nigeria. If you're in Ghana, you select Ghana cedis. Now it's different from the currency you are going to be using to be selling. For example, I can be in Nigeria, but I have a product that I'm selling, that I'm pricing in dollars. No, here you're still going to select naira. When you go to the product page, that is where you select the dollar or whatever pricing currency that you're using to price it. Okay, so here I prefer using Google to sign in, right? So you can continue with this, or you can sign in with Google. So I prefer using Google, so I'm going to click on continue and then select. So this is how the dashboard looks like. Currently it is empty, it doesn't have anything yet because I don't have an account. Okay, so what I'm going to do is the first thing you need to do is to upgrade, right? You need to upgrade. Now before you can create the landing page, you need to have a starter plan. So here now, if you don't have any virtual bank account generated before, here you'll be seeing generate account. Just click on it. Okay, just click on it. When you click on it, it will now generate this number for you. Now this is the number that you use to send the money. When you just send the money to this account, the bank is good or whatever yours is showing. All right, then this one is only for me. Don't send any money to this account. This one is peculiar to me. Your own will be different. Make sure that is what is there, that is that make sure that it is what is it that you are sending the money to. Now after sending it, right, your balance will show here. After sending it, then you will now come here and then click on upgrade. Right now, currently I'm on a free plan, right? So it is advisable that you use this pro account, the pro plan, because that is the one that has all the features that you need. All the features that you need, that is the one that has it. Okay, so if for example you want to, there are a lot of things you can do here anyways, so just make sure that you go for the pro plan. It is advisable for what we are going to be learning, so that it doesn't so that you don't get confused or left behind when we are talking about some things. Okay, so once you are done, you will see now there is no money in my account. Okay, there's no money in my account, so I'm going to, once I put money, top up with 6,000 naira, right, you will now, this upgrade plan will now show. Okay, so now I'm done upgrading my plan, so let me refresh. Okay, let me log out and log in again. Alright, so you can see now I have a pro plan, so I can now go ahead to create my landing page. Okay, now I will now, this is, you can see here we have smart links pages. Click on the one that says pages. Okay, now here I don't have any page yet, so I'm going to click on create my first page. Now we have the lead page, we have the product page, and we have the sales funnel. Now the lead page, you use it to collect leads like phone number, email, whatever you want the people to put, you put it there. The product page, if you are selling something, that is, you want them to buy direct from this place, you don't have a website, you want them, if you're selling wig for example, you put your wig, put the price, right? If you want them to pay here, you put the price and they pay to this platform, right? And the money is funded to your account. If you want them to message you direct on WhatsApp to create to buy, right, then you can also create it. So I'm going to show you the difference. So here, this is our lead page, so I'm going to click lead. Now you can also customize it in case what we have here is not peculiar to what you want. Okay, so I'm going to click on this one, coaching and courses, right, and click on continue. Right now I'm going to write the name of my page. So here I'm going to write teen AI class. All right, now this is the slug, right? If you're on pro plan, you can auto generate your you can give a custom slug now. But if you are maybe on a starters plan, you can't do that. Now what does this mean? Normally if you're on free or starter plan, you just click create plan. Now when the page comes out, right, it is going to have random numbers, but here if I want to customize it, I cannot say teen AI class like this. Okay, so it is easy. Even when people see the link, they already know what it is for. So I'm going to click on create page. So this is how it looks like. All right, now I'm going to customize it. This is my heading, so I'm going to say something like give your teens edge in AI. Okay, now for the subtext you can decide to change it, and I'll just leave it like this. Now for the hero image, that is the picture that will be showing here, you can decide to go and copy the image. Maybe you uploaded it somewhere, you can easily open copy it. But me, I want to upload it direct from my phone, direct from my laptop. So I'm going to come here, I think I have it here. So this is it here. Now it is going to be uploading. Once it's done, you will see it will stay here. Look at how it now looks. All right, so the next, you scroll down, right, the next one is our call to action, right? So here we have button join the program. Maybe if you want to say maybe join our WhatsApp group, or anything that you want to say, join our WhatsApp group. Okay, now this is the destination. For example, if I wanted to go to my DM, right, so my WhatsApp DM, we have plenty options. We have the WhatsApp DM, we have the WhatsApp group, the WhatsApp channel, wherever you want it to go. Even if you have a custom URL that you want it to go, for example, people that have custom URL that have a website but they still want to collect leads, this is where this one is very useful. You can put your website here, but here, let me say I wanted to come to my WhatsApp DM. All I have to do is I come here, put my number, make sure that you start with your country code before the number, okay? But for this one now, I want it to go straight to the WhatsApp group. So here I'm going to copy the WhatsApp link, right? I'm going to copy the WhatsApp link, and then it is going to go there, right? So I think I have the link somewhere here. Oh, okay, this is the link I have. All right, so I'm going to copy it and then go to my this place and then paste it here. All right, so now this is it for the content. Now for the form, maybe you don't want to collect their phone number, or you don't want to collect their email address, or you don't even want to collect their name. You can now come here and delete it, okay? If you want to add any other field that is not here, you can see the add field here. You add it, then you come down here. If it's text that you want them to use, or a email, phone, or long text, you select whichever one that you want to. Maybe I want them to input their age because it's for teenagers, so I'll put age, or what's your age, what's your age. Okay, so I'm going to put it here. Now the placeholder is optional, right? You can leave it to optional, or you can just input your age here, your age here. All right, now the required is, if you want them, if it is a must for them to fill it, then you click on the required, right? If they don't fill it, they can't submit the form. Okay, yes, the age is a requirement for them to submit it. Now the next one is the theme. The theme is where you select the color and the font size. So if I want this to come out in pink, right, I can just select any color that I want. So I'm going to come here and select it in, I think I like this color, and then the font is, this one is still okay. All right, so I think this one is okay for me. Right now you can see that it is saving by itself, but to be on the safer side, it's advisable that you click on this save button to make sure that everything has been saved. Now after, when you are done doing this, your page is not yet live. Okay, so you have to click on publish for it to be live. So when you click on publish like this, you can see now your page is now live, and then you can view it. For it to see how it is when people visit it, this is how it looks like. You can see here we have our Teen AI form. All right, so now if I go back to my pages, right, this is it, and I have 0 leads. I don't have anything yet, and it is live. So I'm going to fill it now for you to see how it looks like. So here I'm going to put just random numbers. All right, so I'm going to click on join our WhatsApp. You can see join our WhatsApp group, right? So I'm going to click on it, and then now it's going to count down. If it doesn't count down, it will lead you there. All right, so this is how it is going to look like, right? It's going to open in my WhatsApp, but I don't want it to open. So once this, I'm using the laptop, right? If I continue to the web, it will take me directly. I don't have my WhatsApp logged in here, so if you click on it on your phone, it is going to take you directly to where it is coming from. Now when we go back to our page and then we refresh or go to our overview, right, now you can see our lead has changed. We have one lead, right? The lead has changed. So when you come to the lead form now, you will see now your Teen AI page has a lead, right? And it's direct because I use my browser. Okay, so this is the information that I feel. This is it here. Okay, so let's say you have different pages, all your pages, all the leads will show here. Now if you want to email them, you can email the list. If you want to export it, you can equally export it. If you want to check maybe the ones that come from only WhatsApp, only sorry, only TikTok, only you can do all of that, and then select by pages. So there is a lot that you can do on this place. Okay, so now that we have our page, right, we have our page here. Now this is the place that you copy it. Make sure that you have copied this link. Okay, I know that this is going to look a lot somehow to some people, but it is a necessary stage that you need to pass to. Okay, so this is it for how to create our pages, and I'll see you in the next section. Make sure you go through everything here. Bye for now.